Good morning to the respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Sammrit Khatiwada from Grade A1 in front of you to present on the topic of Formula One, also known as F1. Formula One is the most popular and fastest motorsports in the world. Different best drivers from different countries come across and race on the track. The tracks are specially made for high speed. There are 10 teams in Formula One competing right now. Some of them are Red Bull, McLaren, Ferrari, etc. The best drivers of 2025 season till now are Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Oscar Piastri and Charles Leclerc. The main race of the Formula One is Formula One is also called Grand Prix. There are 3 stages of Grand Prix: practice, qualifying, and the actual race. The team can modify and adjust their vehicles according to their comfort and technologies. Formula One team also makes their Formula One also helps to make normal cars better by the Formula One also makes to help normal cars better because the features introduced in Formula One are likely later introduced to normal cars we see on the road. In conclusion, Formula One is not just a sport where cars go around a circle. It's all about teamwork, hard work, and consistency. Thank you and have a nice day.